This is the migrant. This is for Ministry of Honesty. Planting native trees. Children Ministry of Special Needs Ministry. Of St. Vincent de Paul. Ministry of the Poor. Young Lives Ministry of the Deaf. Justice Ministry of the Poor, Ministry of Migrants Itinerant, Ministry of Spirit of Communion, Ministry of Orang Asli, The Gospel of Message by Saving Christ, for Special Needs, Young Lives Ministry, Son Ministry, Men's Ministry. How much God is in love with you, then you can only live your life radiating that love. 6. If someone takes your coat, do not withhold your shirt from them. Give to everyone who asks for you, and if anyone takes what belongs to you, do not demand it back. As you would have them to do you. Give, and it will be given to you.